Hi everyone and welcome back. I'm going to do a kind of another unboxing. I've already taken it out of the box, I've straightened it, and I've even started on a little bit of it down here. But I wanted to show this to you. I've been waiting for this for a long time. It is the Disney Princesses, and let me set that down there just a second. Maybe get some more light here. The Disney Princesses. And I'm trying. All right, there we go. Disney Princesses. It is a 60 by 90 round, and I paid $45.80 for it from Home Fun official store at AliExpress. It was ordered February 21st, and I got it yesterday. Now this is the crazy painting that went from Shanghai, where it was originally shipped, and went to New York, and then they said that it went to Los Angeles, and I live in Colorado, which is in between, so I don't know why it went to Los Angeles, or if it even did go to Los Angeles. Then I checked again, and it said it was delivered, or a delivery attempted and failed. And I'm like, okay, yeah, you're in California, not Colorado. So I don't know, but it showed up yesterday, and I was just ecstatic. So let me give you a look at what the picture actually looks like. And I don't know if you can see this or not. And it is a 60 by 90, and it is a round. I had bought this in a square, and the drills kept popping everywhere. I mean, I finished one section, and before I could get the next section done, the others would be popping everywhere. And they told, when I think I got it from Zooey Star, the original one. And when I contacted them, they said to put it under books, but I couldn't figure out where I was going to put a 60 by 90 painting under books and lay it all flat. Yeah, it might fit on this desk, but I won't get anything else done. So let's take a look at the canvas. Like I said, I have been working on it. So I'm going to pull this up here a little bit so you can see. Let me adjust the camera. I don't want to make anybody sick. I don't know if you can see that or not. Well, I'll just pull the canvas panel back. And this is really kind of dark looking. Let me move this out of the way a minute. This is the top of the painting, so the painting goes this way. So down here, I don't know that you can see that or not. Let me try to bring this a little bit closer. Whoops, sorry people. This is Snow White, and she's got the dwarves around her. And you have a Princess Aurora here, and her little fairies, her blue and pink fairies, and there's another fairy here. And there's a castle right here, and you have Belle. Let me put that down, and I'll turn it around. Oops. Oh, everything is so not working my way today. And the canvas is really sticky. When I get it turned around, I'll show you the drill field and move this. We'll set it right here this time. Just close that off. Oh, come on, stay please. We'll just tack it up here for right this second. So it'll stay because it is so big. Oh, crud. Of course I rip it. It's been my day for ripping the white covers. Oops. Hang in there. Gotta take my clip off. Oh, look. We even have that. Okay. And you have jasmine, and you have the genie down here, and let me see here, bring it out just a bit here. You have Cinderella's coach, which is the pumpkin, and you have Cinderella. She comes down here. You'll see more of these things as I work on it, because this is my project for the month. I have to have it done by the 25th of this month, so wish me luck. But now that we're here, I thought I would just show you the drill field, and I hope you can see that, because I can't tell whether or not you're seeing it clear, but it is pretty clear. But there is a lot of confetti, and the only thing that I don't like about this is that there are circles. I don't know if you saw those around where the diamonds go, but the diamonds have been pretty consistent so far since I've been working on it. Let me put this down before I get it attached to me. Hang on, people. We're turning. But yeah, and the canvas is a lot better canvas than the last one I had. The last one had several wrinkles and bubbles and rivers. This does not seem to have any at this point. There's creases here, just a little bit, but I think that's because I've been moving it around. So I may have to iron it before. Now the backing needs to be reset, but there might be some small rivers. Oh, come on, really? Some days. Let me scooch this back. And try to lay it down again. Get it to lay flat. Sorry about the dog. Sorry, people. God, I opened the door. Alright, and the drills, I've already kitted these up. I put them, when I do my kits, I put them in, sorry, moving again, the little 4-pack, and then there's 28 in each. There were 40, oh dear, I lost my sheet. I think there was 43 or 44 colors in this. Yeah, 44 colors. And you can see all the pretty colors. Let me close this, and then I'll show you from the back. Because we don't want to drop it, because that just wouldn't go with Laura. But you can see all the pretty colors. Lots of nice, bright colors. I'm really happy with that. And here's the other part of them. Yeah. So, and they came packaged like this, which I like, you know, because they're all essentially together. Everything came in on the inventory. Everything was all right that way. It did come with a pink pin, a pair of tweezers, a few little plastic things. I order my plastic bags off of Amazon. I got like 1,000 for like $5 or something like that, and they're not very big. I don't know if I have one where I can show you, but and it comes with a little white boat with a spout, which I like. I wish I had one of these boats that was a little bit bigger. I've ordered one like this. Whoops, get that out of there. And I don't like it because it doesn't have a spout, and I didn't even think about it when I ordered it, and I ordered it off of Amazon.com. So, yeah, your basic tool set. I'm going to stick with my Ever Moment tweezers, though, people. Yep, haven't done my Ever Moment, but I'm going to stick with them tweezers because I ain't losing them tweezers. Let's see, anything else? I do have my 3 diamond art clubs coming in today. I found out that they were shipped yesterday, which is great. I can hardly wait to get them. I think I got Dreams, and I got Nola, and I can't remember. Oh man, I don't remember what the other one was. Oh dear, brain fart, can't think. Oh dear. Yeah, this happens when you get old. But anyway, I will do an unboxing definitely for the Diamond Art Clubs. I needed to order this for my granddaughter's 4th birthday, and I hope she likes it when it gets done. I think it's going to be absolutely stunning. I don't know how we're going to hang it yet. We haven't figured that out yet, people. I just got to get this whole canvas done by, yep, March 25th. And if I don't make that date, then, well, she may get it for Christmas. I'm not real sure what I'm going to do. I still have to do the Transformer painting for my grandson, who is her brother. And it's not nearly as wide. It's probably this wide, you know, by, I think it's like 40 something by 50 or 60, so it's longer. If I can find that, I will drag that out. I think that was one that I put the actual parchment paper on, and I'm not having a problem with that parchment paper so far. But I have ironed some of them, and then I put that parchment paper on some. And others, when I received it, I didn't want to go through the hassle, especially my Ever Moment. I just left it alone and put it back in its roll so that it would stay nice and everything. But yeah, so we got some new ones coming, people, so stay tuned. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, thumbs up, and don't forget to just subscribe, and we'll have more videos coming. I think I'll do a drill with me later on today while I'm working on this actual painting here so that everybody can see. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you will hear when I have a new video out. Everybody have a great day. God bless everybody. See you later. Bye-bye.